What I wish I knew about eating for longevity and overall wellness when I started my health journey. Let's take a look. First up, blueberries. These tiny berries are a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with antioxidants, they help fight aging and keep your mind sharp. Next, spinach. It's rich in vitamins that boost your immune system and keep your bones strong. Number 3, almonds. These nuts improve heart health and provide essential fats. Fourth, salmon. Full of omega-3s, it keeps your brain sharp and supports joint health. Don't forget avocados. They lower bad cholesterol and are great for your skin. Sixth, garlic. It's great for your blood pressure and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Sweet potatoes are seventh. They're loaded with beta-carotene for healthy skin and vision. And finally, green tea. It's a super drink that aids in longevity and boosts metabolism. Add these to your diet and thrive. Eat smart, live long, and enjoy a vibrant life. We've covered the top 8 foods for longevity and wellness, and now it's time for a little treat. After all that talk about health and nutrition, let's unwind with a dose of cuteness. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. Remember, taking a moment to de-stress and enjoy life's little pleasures is just as important for your well-being. Even a few moments of joy can brighten your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on living your best life. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.